lot of G-Spirit and shit. Whole lot of culture view and shit. You know what's going on. Stamp it. The
I'm gonna post some content on Instagram today. Vlog going on. We got the gang here.
What up? Hey,
What
up?
Vlog. Yo, where y'all from?
We go to UT.
Y'all go to UT?
Yeah.
That's what's up. That's
Oh
what's
yeah.
up.
Oh yeah. Go Vols.
Go Vlog. Yeah. We're up there. We're waiting.
Go.
Alright, it's first time. I'm gonna try it.
Oh gosh, we got the old Hickory posse.
Yeah, man. We out here. I don't know where I'm at. I don't do outside activities, you know what I'm saying? But hey, I'm doing different stuff now, guys. So I get up with you. Yeah, I'm a child.
Okay. Oh.
Hey, let's take this. Let's do it, Blake. Yo.
Oh. Okay. Are you ready?
Name your 3 favorite black people right now.
Rosa Parks, Barack Obama, and Larry Bird.
Alright, what's your name?
Isabella.
Alright, my question today is name your 3 favorite black people.
Beyonce.
Okay, that's one.
Lionel Richie. Is he?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's 2. Okay.
Ray Charles.
Okay.
Wait, do they have to be alive?
Nah,
Okay.
they can be dead. It's fine.
Okay.
You pass.
I pass?
Yeah, you pass. So what's your name?
Riley.
Riley. Okay.
Yeah.
So my question for you: name 3 black people right now.
Martin Luther King Jr. Riley.
Wait, no.
My
That's
friend
one.
Grace Harrell and my friend Haley Harrell. And my friend
go.
Mariah Mukasa.
Let's go. So what's your biggest confession?
Last night. So
Wait, what happened last night?
She got a sick burn too, actually, on her
got a
butt
sick-
and on her leg.
Damn!
I felt the tie up yesterday, just walking.
Girl, you gotta be safe out here.
I know.
I'm gonna pray for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone who watched.
Dad.
Stab on the way out.